Cate Lebon, Home to You, or Home, I think it's called. Um, Starts out with that little riff. It's in A minor. The song is in the key of C, so A minor works as to play the melody. We start the chords start on F. To you, just the G, A minor. That's the whole verse. At the end, where she's singing, that's what's being played. F, G, A minor. You can play the whole song with open chords if you play the F like this, or like this. Yeah, and the chorus is just G to A minor, C, F. Last night, our time. Last time, our time. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.